Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best mini flower vases on the market, the Arme 20 PC's Bud Vase set. If you're someone who loves adding a touch of elegance and charm to your home or event decorations, these mini vases could be exactly what you need. Right out of the box, you'll notice the vintage design of these vases. Each set comes with 20 exquisite small vases, each featuring a unique bumpy pattern that feels smooth to the touch. The variety in size and style creates an unexpected and delightful combination, perfect for decorating everything from wedding centerpieces to cozy home corners. The distinct textures and patterns on each vase make them stand out, adding that subtle vintage flair to any setting. One of the highlights of this set is the quality of the glass. These vases are crafted from thick, sturdy glass that is not only durable but also non-toxic and odorless, ensuring safety for both your flowers and your environment. The glass has excellent light transmission, so when sunlight hits these vases, they sparkle and shine like diamonds. This effect is amplified by the intricate patterns on the surface, making them truly eye-catching whether they're displayed indoors or outside. Another important feature to mention is the packaging. Each vase is carefully wrapped in a custom thick styrofoam box, designed to prevent damage during shipping. This attention to detail means you can expect your set to arrive safely and intact, ready to decorate your space without worry. These mini vases are incredibly versatile. They're suitable for all kinds of decorative purposes, from adding fresh flowers in your living room or bedroom to holding candles on your dining table for a romantic touch. You can even fill them with aromatherapy oils for a practical yet elegant addition to your bathroom or workspace. Their lightweight and high transparency make them easy to move and match with various decor themes, while their anti-slip bases provide stability on any surface. If you're looking for a gift, this set is an excellent option. Its thoughtful design and practical use make it ideal for birthdays, anniversaries, housewarmings, or holidays. Flower lovers especially will appreciate the clear glass, as it beautifully showcases the flowers or fillers inside. In terms of size, each vase measures about 2.36 inches in length and width, with a height of just under 5 inches, making them compact yet noticeable. Their bottle shape and vintage style add character without overwhelming your arrangement. Plus, the distressed finish and floral pattern on some of the vases add a charming rustic feel. To sum it up, the Arme 20 PC's Bud Vase set combines style, quality, and versatility in one package. Whether you want to create stunning centerpieces for a wedding or simply brighten up your home with fresh or dried flowers, these mini vases deliver an elegant solution. Their sturdy build, beautiful design, and careful packaging make them a reliable and attractive choice for anyone passionate about decorating with flowers. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review or found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest and detailed product insights. See you in the next video.